Did you know that a sedentary lifestyle with no physical activity has an adverse effect on thyroid functioning? So what is a thyroid? The thyroid helps in the normal functioning of the body. Thyroid disease is a general term used for a medical condition that hinders the thyroid from producing the right amount of hormones. There are two common thyroid diseases, hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism. Hyperthyroidism is a disease caused when the body makes too much of the thyroid hormone, and hypothyroidism is caused by too little production of the thyroid hormone. With proper medication and including yoga in your daily regime, you can treat thyroid disease from its root. Let's begin with Sarvangasana or shoulder stand. Sarvangasana is good for dealing with thyroid health because of the inverted pose. It revitalizes the blood flow to the thyroid glands that are present in the upper body, and it regulates metabolism. The way in which the chin is tucked into your chest in this pose also benefits thyroid functions. Therefore, it is one of the best poses to do. It's also known as the queen of asanas. It calms the brain by releasing stress and mild depression. It stretches out the shoulders and neck. It tones the legs and buttocks. It builds strength, as this pose requires a lot of core strength and glute strength. It increases the range of motion. It also reduces fatigue and helps with insomnia. Now let's get into the posture. For this one, you can also use the wall as your support. Lie down on your back on your yoga mat. Bring your thighs to your belly. Your palms should be facing down beside your hips. Use your palms as leverage and swing your hips off the mat. Quickly grab your lower back and straighten your legs up. Once you raise the legs, never turn your head to the right or left because you can hurt your neck. Just look straight at the ceiling. So your neck is straight, lift up through the toes and reach the toes up to the ceiling. Walk your elbows in closer to each other and feel the chest reaching towards your chin to support the opening of your upper back. Then when you're ready, squeeze and engage your glutes. Your toes should be reaching up and above your shoulders. Stay in this pose for 10 breaths and 30 seconds to 1 minute, depending on your capacity. Practice this asana at least once a day to release the asana. Bend your knees, release your hands, and allow yourself to just rock up naturally and come to a seated, cross-legged position. Also, do not round the back. Try to straighten the back when in the position and reach the toes up to the ceiling. If you have acute neck pain, do not do this asana. Now, we will be doing Halasana or Plow pose. Halasana stretches the chin to the chest and activates the thyroid glands. It stretches your spine and strengthens and tones your back muscles. It helps prevent and relieve tightness in your neck, shoulders and back. It also strengthens your shoulders, your arms and your legs. It also improves flexibility, muscle and joint mobility. For Halasana, lie on your back with your arms next to your hips and your palms pressing into the floor. As you inhale, lift your legs up to 90 degrees. And then when you exhale, roll your pelvis off the floor and move your legs to the back of your head. Slowly lower your legs over your head towards the floor so the toes are trying to land behind the head. If the legs do not touch, you can use a brick for support behind your head. So the toes can then rest on the brick. You will need assistance with this. Relax your torso when in Halasana and do not tense up. The breathing should be slow and shallow. You can also use the support of a chair and place your toes up on the chair if it's difficult to do. It is an advanced asana and requires supervision. Halasana is a static asana, so you can hold it for 30 seconds and do it 3 times. Make sure you do these asanas comfortably and do not force yourself to do it. If you are somebody who is suffering from thyroid disease, then do try these asanas. That's it for today. Keep following us for more yoga videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.